I just want to tell you, I appreciate how uncomfortable this can be because it's very different. But it's the uncomfortableness, if you can get past that, when you get past that uncomfortableness, that's where the learning comes. The Blue Angels say it takes 64 to 65 correct repetitions to learn like a barrel roll. So they have to do it over and over again. And right now, it'll be uncomfortable. So let me give you a quick little lesson on being uncomfortable. So everybody stand up and take both hands and put them out in front of you. Try not to punch anybody. You're going to kind of have to keep your eye on me a little bit. All right, so I want you to take your left hand, and I want you to put a thumbs up like Fonzie, and then I want you to point with your other finger, okay? Now I want you to switch. Now I want you to switch again. Switch, switch, switch. Go fast, switch. Switch what's wrong. You guys wake up. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, sit down. Don't hurt yourself. Sit down. So that was a left brain, right brain thing, right? Go ahead and sit down. I don't want you to hurt yourself. So what I'm getting at is it was uncomfortable, right? It kind of hurt in some cases. It sucked. And learning sucks sometimes. It does. You got to get past the suck. But when you get past the suck, then there is good things on the other side, right? There's really good things on the other side. So you just got to embrace the suck, get past the suck. But you've got to do that. I mean, it's going to be uncomfortable. What was happening in your brain, just so y'all know, literally you had neurons trying to connect. They were trying to wire. They were trying to wire, and they weren't wired. But once you get these things to fire together, they wire together. And that's what I'm trying to do is get them to fire. If we can get them to fire together, they'll wire together, and then it just becomes yours. There was a day you guys didn't know the song Happy Birthday, right? There was a day you didn't know it, but now you could sing it on command. Now you can, like, if you were 9 years old and you wanted to burn your little buddy, you could go, and you look like a monkey, and because you know it's so good in the moment, you can just, like, ad lib. And that's really what word tracks are about. Everybody thinks it's so strict, and Chris is so rigid. He wants it this way. No, I mean, I want you to know it really good, so you can flip off and use it in different ways when you need to, right? Maybe 70% of it's always the same, but the other parts change a little bit based on the guest and the situation, right? So I'm not married to it. In fact, I think the discipline to learn it sets you free to be able to use it in a way that you want to use it.